Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Billy Josie, aka the New Generation Marketer, guys, here from Jacksonville, Florida. And I'm coming to you here quickly, wanting to cut this quick video because if you like YouTube, and I've actually developed a really great passion for YouTube as a way for me to bring value to the marketplace, as a way for me to build my business. So it's with great pleasure I do let you know of a webinar coming on this Wednesday, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, with probably one of the best new YouTube marketers that I found, a gentleman by the name of Nathan Lucas. This Wednesday, the guys over at MLSP are going to have him on the line on the webinar, showing how he went from almost virtually no subscribers on YouTube to over 200,000 subscribers on YouTube, and how it's actually created a breakthrough in his business. And if you're looking at your screen, you see on the screen there, I was actually on a webinar probably maybe 2 months back with Nathan, and I heard his tips. And from his tips, that inspired me more to get more involved in to marketing my business on YouTube. So if you look at the screen there, one of his things he says is a little tip for you. It says create content. This is the exact thing that will give you a breakthrough in your business and life. And if you're creating content, this basically reveals who is truly serious about their business. So guys, if you want to grow your business in affiliate marketing, network marketing, internet marketing, direct sales, be sure to be on this webinar this Wednesday at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I will leave a link at the bottom. Be sure to get on, guys, if you're serious about growing your business using YouTube. I highly suggest that you be there. Also, guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, be sure to subscribe to my channel, as well click that little bell so that you're notified of any new videos that I do put out there. Also, if you do receive any kind of value from this, or you think this will probably value your business, give me a like, leave a comment, or share this video someone that you think can help their business as well. Guys, this is Billy Josie, aka the New Generation Marketer. I will see you on the next video. God bless you guys. Bye-bye.